Hi everyone, Mike Simmons here from the Technology Department, and today we're going to talk about Apple, Mac, and Share drives. First, you're going to locate your Share drive. It's kind of that gray icon squiggly looking thing. And then once you select on it, it will ask for a login. Now this will be a preset login based off your building. And so for this example, we have Forsyth Central High School with a test student account, and we're just going to log into that. Now if you don't see that squiggly share icon on the taskbar, you can always head over to Apps, and that's on the lower left corner. It's that icon that has the 9 squares. Select Apps, and then in the search bar you can search for Share, just the word Share, S-H-A-R-E. Once you pull it up, there's 4 different views. See right there at the top, 4 different views, and you can select whatever your preference is. And then once you have your preference, you can look inside of the folders, and then inside of the folders you'll see the files. And then the nice thing about a share drive is you can also add to it. So since you have access, you can basically create something and then add it to your share drive, or access existing files in the share drive. I hope this tutorial helps. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.